Hello everybody, my name is Gabor, and today I would like to show you the advantages of using a mobile or digital bank. Let's check this out. We all know that today we have many possibilities and opportunities to choose from to be able to open a bank account in the banking industry. But now we don't have to choose from a traditional bank. We can choose a fintech company which offers also banking services, but you can have trading, investment, and foreign exchange possibilities within an application or a website. So I want to talk about this today. I want to show you the biggest platform, the biggest application, the most famous application among these fintech companies, and it's called Revolut. Revolut has already more than 18 million users worldwide, and it's opening in new markets every year. So Revolut is a fintech company, and if you're not familiar with this fintech term, basically it means that finance and technology together, and it means that these companies, these fastly growing companies, using modern technology to be able to provide financial services. This is like the cryptocurrencies, the blockchain, all modern technology used for financial support, financial services, payments, banking, trading, investments, foreign exchange, and all transactions basically, which covers the financial industry. And these new companies try to offer more convenient and faster ways to deal with our financing. And Revolut is one of the most famous fintech companies out there, and originally is a Lithuanian and a British English company, and they growing rapidly. So it was founded in 2015, and since then they're operating in many countries. They have more than 18 million users and more than 150 million transactions each month. So it's huge. And I would like to show you what are the advantages of using an application for your banking services. The first point is that you can have multiple bank accounts under one account. So if you open a bank account with Revolut, you are able to open other bank accounts with different currencies as well. So, for example, when I traveled to Prague, to the Czech Republic, I wanted to use, obviously, Czech crown, because that's their currency. And to be able to pay in Prague, I needed to have some Czech crown with me to be able to pay in the restaurants, for my Airbnb, and anything. And what I did is I used the Revolut to change Hungarian forints to Czech crowns. And it can be done in 1 minute. If you just click to add a new currency, you can change your money. And the best thing is that you can change your money in a fairly good exchange rate. I have checked it many times, and in most cases, the exchange rate is better than with the traditional banks. And furthermore, to this point, to exchange your money, it's basically free, because with the standard package, if you open a Revolut bank account, it's gonna be free. You will get first the standard package, and you have no hidden costs. And if you open this Revolut bank account, you will be able to exchange money up to €1,000, $1,000, or 350,000 forints freely. And this is really good. Of course, they are offering other packages as well. So if you pay for your Revolut account, you can change more money freely. I will be speaking about other packages as well, what they offer to us as customers that we can pay for better service. I give you a pro tip here. So if you want to change your money with Revolut, you can of course use the market price and you will change your money right away, but you can give a limit order as well. So you set up the limit like this, and your money will be changed on that price. which means if the price hits the limit that you set up, the change will be implemented, and it will be implemented on the desired price. The second point I would like to emphasize is that you can track easily your money and you can track easily your expenses and savings with Revolut. So basically, if you are using Revolut to pay every day with a Revolut bank card on your mobile phone with Apple Pay or Google Pay or with your Apple Watch, you can easily pay with Apple Watch as well, or you can use your physical card from Revolut and you can pay with it as well. And in this case, in the application, you will see all the expense you made. You will see who was the seller. You will see who you paid for, the company name and the business name. And with this easy one application, you can track, you can check your expenses. And I know how much I spend exactly a week, a month, a year, and on what. So this is a very good way to track your expenses. The next really good point is that you can freely send money to other Revolut users, and it's instantly happening. So if you check it here, I'm sending money to this other person, and if I click on send, it will be there in 1 second. This is very convenient and the fastest way to transfer money. Also, you can transfer in the traditional way. You can use wire transfer to any other bank account, and of course, you can use SEPA transactions and international transactions as well. About the bank cards. So with Revolut, you can have multiple types of bank cards. You can order a physical card, which will be shipped to your address. You can have virtual cards, which can be used easily for paying as well. I'm using my digital bank card and I can pay everything with it. The next point is my favorite, because that's where it gets really interesting for me, because you can invest and you can trade on Revolut. So right now, the trading platform on Revolut is growing because they have already more than 800 stocks, shares to choose from. And this is from the US market. So you cannot invest, not yet, on any other markets, the European markets, the Asian markets, but they have really good portfolio of shares from the US market. And you are really buying the shares, the stocks itself. So it's not a CFD. You are buying a real stock of a company. These stocks are held with Drive Wealth LLC. This is a third-party broker. And your assets with Revolut and Drive Wealth LLC, they are protected by $500,000. So if you want to invest, you have more than 800 shares to choose from the US market. And the fees are very, very low. So if you are an investor, the question here is that should we use Revolut for investing or trading? So for investing, the fees on buying a stock or a share, it's very low. So this is a good point. But you cannot really build up a well-diversified portfolio just based on the US market and just based on the stocks that Revolut offers. So it's really good for a individual who just starting to invest and they just want to get to know with investing and buy some shares, and let's see and let's analyze some US companies. But on the other hand, what I said is that for diversification, you cannot buy bonds, you cannot buy stocks from the other markets. So it's hard to say that it's for everyone, but yes, there is the opportunity to invest on Revolut. Adding to this point as well, you have another investment opportunity offered by Revolut. So you can buy cryptocurrencies in Revolut as well. They have listed many of the most famous and the biggest market cap cryptocurrencies on their platform. So you can easily exchange your money to cryptocurrencies. This is one of the easiest way to buy cryptocurrencies because you're already using your bank account to receive your salary, to receive customer payments, to receive any kind of money, and you can exchange it right away on a fairly good price to any cryptocurrencies. But please be always very cautious about cryptocurrency investing because this is a really risky asset. And you have many other features with Revolut. So there is the Vault feature, which basically allows you to collect money, to set aside, to allocate money to your savings. There is another feature, what's called Pocket, and from these pockets, you can organize, you can set up payments to your subscriptions, to your housing payments, etc. So this is very easy and convenient as well. So let's check the pricing. Revolut offers 4 packages. There's the standard, which I already mentioned. This is totally free, and you have some limitations. There is the Plus, which offered on €3 per month, and this is basically offers you a free card delivery if you want to use a physical card. You have 2 kids, so Revolut Junior accounts. You have a purchase protection, so Revolut also offers some insurance, and with a Plus account, you are able to use a purchase protection. The purchase protection is for in case of theft or accident coverage up to £1,000 or €1,000 dollars per year. That's the limit. Here you can see the exchange rate, so there is no difference compared to the standard one in terms of the Plus and the standard, and all the rest is basically the same as the standard one. The next one is the premium. The premium package costs £7 per month, and you have a £400 per month limit on the withdrawals if you want to withdraw without any fees. You have a 2 kids junior Revolut account. You have £2,500 per year limit on purchase protection, and you have better rates, better exchange fee, and better commodity exchange fee if you want to exchange for cryptocurrencies or any other commodities. You have unlimited currency exchange. So with the other 2 packages, the standard and the Plus, you have a as I mentioned, you have a £1,000, euros, dollars, or 350,000 forints limit for exchanging your currencies. But if you have already purchased the premium package, this is unlimited for you. And the last one is the metal, which costs £12.99 per month. It offers £800 per month for withdrawals without any fee. You have free express delivery on your metal card, and you can have 5 Revolut Junior accounts and £10,000 per year limit. Okay, and you can see here the cryptocurrency exchange fee rate and the commodity exchange fee, which is really low as well. And you have unlimited currency exchange as well, so you have opportunity, you have possibility to change your currencies without any fee. Also, if you want, you can pay yearly, not just monthly payments available for Revolut. So we have checked the packages. I believe these are great offers, and based on your lifestyle, based on your financial transactions in a month, you can decide which package suits the best for you. Thanks for watching this video. I could not cover all the features offered by Revolut, but subscribe to my channel because I will be creating another video where I will show you every feature in depth. And if you have questions about Revolut, how to set it up, how to make a payment, or any other questions regarding this platform or any other fintech company, please let me know. You can send me an email here, and you can also send me a message on my Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Take care guys. Bye bye.